There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. It's a very funny book for little kids. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Piggy, is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are the two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are love birds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have three eggs on your head. I do not want three eggs on my head. Then I have a good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Chip, chip, chip. They have hatched. Now I have three baby chicks on my head and two birds and a nest. I do not want three baby chicks, two birds and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Haha. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Thanks for listening and please subscribe to the channel.